Today we are looking at DeWalt's 18-volt XR die grinders, the straight and the angled skin. Let's check them out.
First up, we have the DCG421 Right-Angle Die Grinder skin. It packs up to 458 watts and up to 24,500 RPM, offering true cordless freedom. Need to go straight in? The DCG420 Inline skin gives you 447 watts and up to 24,500 RPM in a body 35% smaller than before. Both models feature 4 variable speed settings controlled from a backlight panel, plus an integrated LED light for dark enclosed workspaces. Upgrade your metalwork arsenal today. Available in-store and online at TradeTools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly serious savings email to get all the best deals. So what's your review on the new models? Let us know in the comments.